Do you work around heavy machinery, electrical equipment, or any kind of hazardous energy? If you do, then you have probably heard about LOTO. But knowing about it and using it correctly are, well, two different things. When it comes to keeping your workplace safe, few things are as essential as Lockout Tagout or LOTO systems. In this video, we're going to dive into some practical tips on how to use LOTO systems effectively, helping you protect yourself and your coworkers from serious accidents. Let's start with the basics. What is LOTO? Before we get into the tips, let's quickly recap what LOTO is all about. Lockout Tagout, or LOTO, is a safety procedure used to make sure that machines and equipment are completely turned off and can't be turned back on until maintenance or repairs are finished. The process includes two main actions: lockout, which is physically locking the equipment so it can't be started, and tag out, which involves placing a tag on the equipment that warns others not to use it because it's being serviced. Think of it like putting a lock and a big "Do Not Touch" sign on a machine to ensure that it stays off while someone is working on it. Tip 1. Always follow the procedure. It might sound obvious, but the first tip for using LOTO systems is to always follow the procedure, no matter how routine the maintenance might seem. It's tempting to skip steps when you're in a rush or when you think, "I've done this a million times, nothing will go wrong." But accidents happen when we least expect them, and taking shortcuts with LOTO can have dire consequences. Always go through the full LOTO process. Shut down the equipment. Turn off the machine using the normal stopping procedure. Isolate the energy sources. Disconnect or block all energy sources, whether they're electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, or mechanical. Apply the lock and tag. Place the lock on the isolating device and attach the tag to warn others. Release stored energy. Make sure any stored or residual energy is released or controlled. Verify isolation. Double-check that the machine is truly off and cannot be restarted before beginning work. Sticking to the procedure might take a few extra minutes, but it's worth it to prevent potentially life-threatening accidents.